We're going to show you how to set the date and time of an automatic watch using here the Cartier Drive. Wind your watch by turning the crown clockwise for 20 times. This allows to power up the timepiece in order to run in full power reserve of 42 hours and let the small seconds hand move. Pull the crown out 2 notches by 2 clicks. Wind the watch by turning the crown clockwise to adjust the time to the next day at 6 a.m. Pull the crown out again by 1 notch. Turn the crown clockwise to adjust the date until the correct date is displayed in aperture. Under no circumstances should the calendar be set between 8 p.m. and 1 a.m., the period during which the date changes. Pull the crown out 2 notches and then set to the current time by turning the crown in the desired direction until the correct time is displayed. By stopping the seconds hand, the time can be set to the nearest second. After setting the time, push the crown back into the case in order to restart the hand, and your watch is set.